All right, sounds good.
Yeah, so we can call this session. I need to name them too, but like live trading and betting sessions.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, so I'll recap. I'll go over my opportunities right now. So XRP, right? The lawsuit's going great. All that shit's going great. Now, when we look on the daily here, let me go and just take everything out. So it's at a level right here.
Yeah.
It's at a strong level, and before, like it was resistant, so that's why it wasn't able to break it support.
Oh, I see.
It's like a freeway. There's like a freeway. It's like congested right here, so it's congested, and this was based off of news. So this is based off of news. So after news, if there's not like it could either go if there's not a violent move up, which is not going to be because of the whole holiday things.
Yeah, exactly.
Then it's going to go ahead and slow down and then go back to a retest like how I did right here. And this was a news event right here. So I did like a retest. So what I'm looking for is okay, so now I'm here. And also we should be, now we're on the downward leg, right? Boom, 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 boom. So we're down and then we should be going up. But now we're going up and we're at a resistance now, close to resistance. So then now what I'm doing is I'm looking at, okay, where could we retest to? So if I do that, I could see that the retest level is going to be right here, 0.382,
right, exactly.
all these areas which were, strong areas, and right here. So I'm looking for a potential retest down here still, but it's like, okay, we got money, the money's coming up, right? And we have the VWAP coming up. So
yeah,
we could have another massive move up
from there. Yeah.
Yeah, we could have another massive move up, which is going to take time though. That's going to take like days, But in the meantime, that's not really my trading. My trading strategy is going to be like zones, trading the zones,
Yeah, exactly.
So if we're going to be retesting, overall we're still relatively bullish with the news and the price action. So buys would be a better idea. But just knowing that it still hasn't really retested, so just I'm going for a buy. So I go on the 1 hour, and there's like a stair step, it's like it's like stair stepping. There's not a divergence though. It's not.
Well, I mean, look from the top of the money wave.
Mm-hmm.
It is kind of a bearish divergence because as the price went up, the money waves went down, and now This one
right here.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, no, definitely. I think it's for the retest.
Yeah, so it's still looking to probably break a little lower. It looks like it, in my eyes,
Yeah, like this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing because normally, like after a massive run, it retests or fucks around for a long time. So what I'm playing off of right now is, and there's probably not going to be enough volume in the next couple of days for it to retest down here.
Yeah.
Which is probably going to happen, though, but I don't think anytime soon. What I'm banking off of is this thing going like this until it's done for its real retest.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Like I'm thinking it's just going to go through zones, just like how I did here. Like how.
Yeah.
And
like actually.
Yeah, like I'm banking right now off of zone trading, not like So okay, so now that I'm going for zones, then if I go on the smaller time frames, it still looks like a bearish. So I'm banking off another move down here,
and then back up.
Yeah, and then like to here. So I'm banking off like either here or here. And for sure I know it's going to get shorted down here. I already know that. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Once it gets to this level, because I backtested the crap out of it, and it doesn't tend to do that. But XRP does tend to do some like it goes like here and then go back down like crazy, like kind of like how I did here. Like it'll tap it, but it'll bring it down back immediately.
Yeah.
So I'm banking.
Is it on 10-minute?
This is on 10-minute.
Yeah. Because I mean, overall, it looks like the momentum is going down from the top of the wave on the where the green is at on the money wave, and it kind of looks like it's going straight down. You know, you get me?
Yeah.
I mean, it looks like the momentum, money flow, everything's going down. And normally that happens when it's looking for it to go down like a retest. You know?
Yeah. It's starting to curve up though. Look at the VWAP. Look at see, it's starting like a little bit.
Yeah, no, it is. Yeah, it is. It is.
But yeah. No, yeah. I definitely think it's going to be going down more, so it can go back up. So
yeah, I feel like it might just do a last pump up before it goes down. You know?
Yeah, like I'm thinking, like right here, since it was like previous support, now I'm seeing that it's having a hard time for resistance.
Resistance, yeah.
So like the move that I'm anticipating is from here to here or to here, and then as soon as I start seeing market structure do highs and lows, then I'm placing a buy around here.
Nice.
That's what I'm doing, and then I'm taking I'm taking profit off this zone right here. So that's my my opportunities for today, you know. And we got
nice.
Yeah, we got Asian session coming in 2 hours, like a little over 2 hours, which is probably not gonna be that much volume, bro. But I may not even trade it. You know, I'm probably not going to trade it. But if it comes to here, I'm looking for and obviously if market cipher is looking good, then yeah, then I'll
yeah.
Because like watch, if you look on the 4 hour, it's starting to go back up, like because you know how it has so much momentum and money waves coming in. So
it is, yeah.
So so I'm thinking it's gonna go down some more, and then it'll go and do a little up move here. Over here starting to shape. Money waves going down on that, but let's see here, money going down. What do we got here? And then money curving out. So I think this still has more downward movement, and it still has
a little bit more down. Yeah, a little bit more like a retest for it to actually pump up. I feel like it does. Yeah.
And then we can catch a bigger move on the retest, on the real retest.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in the meantime, I'm going to be trading the zones.
Nice.
Be trading the zones and because I'd rather do that. But yeah, it looks like it's been just for right now. And then once we get some bigger moves, and we can do some lower risk. But I do higher risk trades on this, and then I do a little bit lower risk on these ones because these take a little bit longer, and I want to compress time by adding more risk. But that's what I'm doing on mine. You want to go with yours?
Yeah. Let me just let me go back. Let me just go on my computer because my stuff was downloading. I mean, upgrading or whatever.
Okay. Let me take off my screen share.
Okay, give me a second.
Or if you want, hey Rob, you can go. You want to, Rob? You want to show your screen, or do you have screen share, or do you want to? How do you want to do it? You can go over your games.
Screen share. Let me see here. Screen share.
I'm joining in. My computer doesn't let me do it. Yeah, it should, right?
Yeah. It should let you do it, bro. 100%. Yes, sir. All right, you're in. Let me just stop sharing. How did I stop sharing? Oh, boom. All right, so you guys should be able to do it now.
Nice.
Sure. Go get that right there.
It's probably going to disconnect me right here on the iPad. Let me see. Hold on.
Yeah, we definitely got a retest coming, bro, on the Xers.
Yeah, definitely, bro. Same with Bitcoin too.
Let's see, where's Bitter at?
Bitcoin.
Hey, but Bitcoin looks like it's still on a strong support, no? It looks like it's doing a head and shoulders, though, on the 6 hour, 4 hour, maybe. Recording in progress. Oh, shit. You probably want to exit the other one?
Yeah.
A little head and shoulder right there.
See, let me see.
Yeah. Bitcoin chode.
Yeah, it's looking, I mean, it's sitting on a good support. It looked like it already did its retest. Let me try to, hold on, give me a second. One sec.
Sarah.
All right, cool. You see my screen?
No, bro, we can't see your screen now.
No?
Oh, wait, no, I can see it now.
Yeah,
I
okay,
can see
cool,
it.
cool.
I can see the screen.
All right, cool. Yeah, so I mean, it was like, you know, I'm going up this little trend line, golden pockets right here. I did retest it off the fib from here, right?
Okay.
Golden pocket.
Nice.
So yeah, looks like it's gonna be probably, you know, same thing, just kind of consolidating from here. But I feel like it might either
Like
do this and bounce from here, you know.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, that's what I'm kind of looking into. Nice, getting a bigger trade. I can trade in. It's probably, you're here. It gave me already a triangle. It's probably gonna go down. I haven't been seeing much strength here behind this here, even though like on the 6 minute. Oh shit! It gave us a little. Where is it at? I don't know. Was it one? Yeah, like this little thing. I could have caught it on the 1 minute.
Okay.
Because like it gave us a nice little.
Okay, divergence. Hey, I saw that. I saw that on my XRP too. That shit happened earlier. Yeah, I saw
right
that,
here, bro. Right here. So give us a line. I could have caught this little move right here, like boom.
Yeah.
But the volume kind of sucks, you know. So whatever.
Okay.
But I could have caught it. It would have been a nice little 60%er.
Yeah,
I'm looking into
as long as you
those now.
You could just put more risk on it, you know.
Exactly, yeah. So I'm looking into those and kind of back testing those, and like, damn, you know, a bunch of little ones on the 1 minute I can catch. I could have caught this one. Could have caught this one. Could have caught this one with the golden pocket. Perfect confirmation.
Yeah,
you know,
that's true. Yeah.
High risk and better reward, and little pump, and just taking kind of out the trade, quick money. That would have been pretty cool. So I'm back testing those, kind of, you know, building a little bit more confidence on those, and especially when you have confirmation like golden pocket, and you know.
Yeah, no, definitely, bro. I mean, yeah, that seems to be and it has like a good, like it reacted very well on that
really well, yeah, like it
3 times already.
Yeah, exactly, and it hits and it just fucking pops up, and it could have been a good trade, you know, even up to now. I mean, I could have probably been holding on that trade, or just taking profits.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, just I still overall. Let's see.
And then also, guys, we can use these videos, bro. Like we can send these videos to the people we're pitching or when we're investing. We can be like, that way they can see how serious we take it. You know?
Yeah, that's so true.
You can watch these videos like, hey, like these fools, you know, they're. Anyways, yeah. So that's another idea. That's what we need to create a bunch of content.
Yeah, it makes sense, dude. I mean, that's let's see. Yeah, because I mean that way they kind of see that we know what the fuck we're talking about, you know?
Yeah.
But yeah, still this channel. Still thinking it's gonna go a little lower than where it's at, because it's not giving us higher highs, you know. It's just kind of there. It didn't give us a higher high. If anything, it's looking like a little
and shoulder there.
Yeah, exactly. So and then I did the little trend on this one from the neckline here.
Yeah, how big is it? Yeah, match perfect, huh?
It's perfect, bro. So I'm kind of still going for that, you know?
Yeah.
So but overall,
what would you be looking? You're looking at breaking a retest on the top yellow line?
Yeah, so if breaking a retest on the top yellow line, and then giving us a nice little if it goes lower here, a nice little T right here, and that'll give us a nice little, you know?
Yeah, there you go.
Divergence, bullish divergence, and that'll be the perfect little entry right here.
Okay.
And that'll be for the higher time frame, you know. But I mean, if you see it now, it's, you know, I mean, it could take off from here. Could give us a green dot right here, and it'll still be a nice little uptrend, you know.
Yeah.
Money wave, money flow still going up.
You can put like a trend line too from like the price that's at 4,200 on the previous support. So I look at 4,200. There was support to the left side, and maybe it goes from there. Like you. But anyways, yeah. All right. Yeah, Rob, you want to
Do I have to download the screen?
Bro. You just click share screen. Look for
the middle little green arrow.
Or where is it?
On the Zoom. On the Zoom.
Oh, on Zoom.
Yeah, on the Zoom where you see yourself right now, like you see us talking. On the middle of the Zoom.
Share screen, got you.
Share screen, yeah, exactly.
Share screen.
There's all this is like donkey porn.
There it is.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. So look, I'm live betting this game.
Nice.
So I already won one.
Nice.
I did just like a minimum amount, and then this one I bet about. It was about.
Wait, which game? Which game?
It's the same. This one I won this one, but I made another play on it because I can see the way the game is going. So the refs are like calling a lot of fouls on the home team, which means they're basically trying to keep the other team in the game, so it can be a good game throughout the time. And then the better team's going to come back in like the second half. And I would say it's going to be an 80% shot that they're going to win for sure.
So you're trying to keep the excitement going, huh?
Yeah. So right now I already know where it's going. So that's why I made 2 bets on these dudes to the away team to win by 2 points. And right now they're up by 7 points. So 2 minutes left. I'm in.
Okay. Oh,
I think your volume. I mean your voice went off, bro. Can't hear you, Rob. Can you hear us,
Rob?
Rob, we can't hear you, bro.
Oh, you can't.
You're good now. We can hear you.
Okay, now we can.
Right? Oh.
No, bro. Okay. Yeah, hold on. No, bro, we can't hear you.
Yeah, hold on.
Put the AirPods in the case because sometimes they still.
Yeah, no, my headphones are fucked up.
All right, talk to us.
It's still on the laptop right now.
Okay, yeah, I can.
My AirPods are
The Grizzly Wizzlies.
This shit sucks, dude.
Hey, Johnny, you know that guy, Alex Becker? You guys know Alex Becker, right? The guy?
Yeah.
He said the reason how he got into crypto was through sports betting, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Because he said he made a lot of money sports betting using Bitcoin.
Oh, yeah. That's right.
Yeah, and that's how he got into it.
That's why he got into it. Yeah, that's right. I remember him talking about it.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
He's also like a gamer too, no?
Yeah.
He's a hardcore gamer, huh?
Yeah. Cool. That nigga's a gamer big time.
Yeah, he is, bro. So he got excited. He gets all excited with the gaming coins.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's true, man. So he's right, though. Yes, you can make a bunch of money, man.
Big time, bro. Big time.
Okay, so what I'm gonna wait now is for the second half, right? So when the second half starts, I can go the other way because right now the away team's no, they're not. So let me show you.
Who's the home team? Grizzlies?
Yeah, the Grizzlies are the home team.
Oh, what's the score right now?
Right now it's 65-61.
Damn.
So I just need I just need these dudes to win by 2, which they already did. The quarter ended, so I won already. I won easily $300 right there.
Nice.
Nice.
So now is see okay. So I want the spread. I want the spread to go up higher for the away team because these fools are gonna make a run back. They're gonna make a run for sure.
You're gonna try to beat them
So
hard.
yeah, so yeah, the freaking the pricing or the pricing will go up or the point spread will go up,
Mhm.
and
So
that's and see you see how it moves. So
Yeah.
yeah,
so once the second half starts, these guys are gonna make a run. Maybe not. Who knows? I don't know. But from the most part, what happens is they're gonna make a run, and then I want the spread to be like at 6.57, so it can give me cushion,
wait,
right?
where's
So
that? Wait, but
huh?
6.57. But where do you see that?
Well, I want it's gonna be here because you want the spread to go up.
Oh, I see. I see.
I
Mhm.
want this to go up to at least 6.5. So
And
let's say because it's a close game, right? The refs are
Right.
calling a lot of shit to keep the game close and condensed.
Right.
So what I'm gonna do is wait until let's say these dudes make a run, and then the pricing is gonna go up because they're gonna start. Let's say they start losing the away team, the
yeah.
pricing will go up, and then that's when I'll get in, like at like 7. Because
Hey,
let's say if what I'm doing is for them to lose, right? Because I'm thinking the
Mhm.
home team's gonna win, so I'm saying they're gonna lose by no less than 7 points.
Right.
So that's why I want cushion from those 7 points.
Oh, I see.
So if they lose by 5, 6, I'm still good.
Right.
hey, so where do you
So
see so plus 3.5? That's what you're looking for, like
right
spread
here, look at
plus
this
three
is a
five.
spread. Look at this is a spread right here, right? You see that spread?
Yeah.
Right now
What?
it's at they're right now they're plus. So the plus is that they're not favored, right? That's not the favorite team. This
You can
this
make
is
more
the
money
favorite
there.
team.
You can make
Yeah,
more money there.
well, this is
Or no?
no because you still make money regardless. You still make money because it's at minus 115. But at the plus, when it's a plus is right here,
Right.
that means they're not the favorite team. Minus means they're the favored.
Favorite team.
So
Oh, I get it.
yeah, it's a minus. It's always a favorite team, and this is the 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 underdog.
And
So
also,
Underdogs.
that
so
what
hey, so you see where it says win to the right? So
total
no, win in the middle.
win?
So
Yeah.
if I bet $100 there, how much do you make? What does that mean?
So if you bet $100 here, you'll win 140.
140. Oh, so what if I bet 100 on the other one? It's 85. Just only
You
85.
don't. It's trash. You'll get like 50. Yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
Mm.
Yeah, because if this is and this is how I was telling you when I make a lot of money when I think a
Plus,
team's gonna win
yeah,
Yeah.
and let's say they're trailing or whatever, but the money's at plus money, and I already know these dudes are gonna come back. So let's
yeah.
say I'll be like, all right, I'm gonna throw 500 on there. I'll make equal money or a little bit more,
Yeah.
700.
Nice.
Yeah. So
Okay.
it's just that's why I like predicting the playoff game. That's why I want to like those 2 games that I won right now is just easy money.
Nice.
Yeah, it's just like with
Well, yeah,
life in it.
You made 300 right there.
Yeah, I mean a quick 300, and then I made a G off of the other game. Even though we lost that one, I bet the half. I
Oh, I
bet the
see.
half.
So you
So
netted 1,000.
yeah, and then I won a quick 300 here. So that like if let's say we're doing live right now, I could just like we'll watch. I'll be watching the game. I'll be like, oh dude, get in right now, and then that'll be easy money right here. So the other
Mm.
game that I'm looking at is this one right here. Is this one right here? It's a
Toronto.
home game for this team. Yeah, home
Mm.
game for this team. So we can look at the first quarter, right? The first quarter, it's quick and easy, you know. So it's a 10-minute, 12-minute quarter. So we'll make the money super. Let's say the home team's gonna win. I'm looking at these dudes. I think they're gonna win the first quarter
76ers?
for sure. They're gonna start off hot. Yeah, I think they're gonna start off hot. But I'm gonna fill out the game, see how they're playing and stuff, and
Right.
then I
Yeah.
can make a call from there. If not, I can just say, okay, well, fuck. I think the momentum's on this side, so I can go with the plus money, and I can bet 100 and win
For the
120. You know?
if they win the first quarter.
Yeah, if just the first quarter, just the first
Yeah.
quarter. Yeah, just the
Mm.
first quarter.
That's
And then let's say,
cool.
yeah, so we can make money, quick money on the first quarter, and then boom, we can go to the first half, which is the first and second quarter all together.
First half is first and second quarter. Oh, okay, because there's 4. Yeah.
Yeah. I'm thinking if everything goes as said, like the other team that we betted on the spread. They won the half, right? So we would have, we were live betting, we could have picked the plus money on them because they came back and won. But I went with the spread, and they needed just 2 points because we had them at 3.5, and we just needed 2 points and it didn't hit.
Also, they need to win by 2.5. That's what the plus means.
Yeah, plus they need to. Yeah, exactly. They need to win. They need to win by three points or
whatever.
Or more.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So that's what I did with the other game, right? So I was like, okay, fuck. They fucked up here, so I feel like they're gonna come back, and then I'll go with the plus money over here. And what happened?
So plus 2.5 means that they have to win 3.5 points.
Yeah, they have to win by 3 and above, 3 and above in points. If it's under that, then you're fucked. You kind of want the point margin around here because
easier, right?
a team usually never wins by 1 point. It's always by like 2 or 4 or more.
Oh, okay.
It's rare to be able to get I would say like in
close game.
Like a close game by 1. It's never like that. It's usually by 2, 4 around there.
Oh, what is total? So you can bet on total too?
Yeah, you can bet on total. This is a money line, which means you can do this, or you can do the over or under in points. So if you think they're both gonna go under, right, or they're gonna go over because they're gonna score a lot of points. Which the game I'm watching right now is going over because they're scoring a shit ton of points. But that just depends on the pace of the game. If they're top scoring defenses. But this one they're playing against a defensive team, which is the Raptors. Are really good at playing and adjusting. And then these dudes got like 2 powerhouse players, which they played before, and they do kind of struggle against these dudes. But I don't know. I feel like since a lot of people have been the media's been talking shit on the Sixers, I feel like they're gonna come out, firing out with all cylinders and play pretty well.
Nice.
So yeah, I'm thinking about, because what I do sometimes is, even though I want this guy, I still go sometimes and I do the money line. I just wait for this line to go down in pricing. So I'll let it hit. Let's say they go down by 2 points, the pricing might go to plus money, and I can just get in plus money, and then where they can just come back and just win the first quarter.
I got you.
So that's how we can get plus money and even money. That's the way we can you get a good return on investment compared to like 160, and it's just not gonna make sense. So that's what I do. I just let the runs come by from the other team, and then that's when I'll see the plus money, and then just get in and basically short it.
Nice.
Yeah, so that's what I'm looking at right now. I feel like in regards to this game, I feel like the Sixers are gonna win I'm pretty sure they're gonna win.
That's remember? Oh yeah.
What happened?
Oh yeah. Remember how we said how if a lot of people think that Philadelphia is gonna win, then maybe the other one.
Exactly.
Hey, what's up with that software, bro? You have it? Can you show it or not?
Look at. I'm gonna go on here. So. Okay, so right here, let's go with public. All right, so let's go with the public. So public thinks.
This is dope.
So, yeah, right here, so bets, it's almost 50-50, right? But a lot of the money's going to the Sixers. So they might fucking pull back on the Sixers, and then for that first quarter, and these dudes can start off hot. So that's something we can definitely look at too.
Mm-hmm. Like if you're a market maker, you want to bet on Raptors or they want to rig it to Raptors.
Yeah, exactly. Because a lot they'll try to flip it on you. They'll try to pull the rug on you so they can, like what I was telling Esteban is that what they'll do is they'll trick you, right? The first, second quarter, thinking like everything's gonna go to shit. Because you can live bet, right? So people are gonna think like, oh damn, I should just put money on the other team. like that, right? So they can just keep spending money, right? Because what we're talking about, Esteban, right? Like, let's say we put money on one side and then the other side is like that. It can
hedging,
out.
Like hedging
over it. Oh yeah.
Yeah, like hedging. Yeah.
Hedging, because like like because if you hedge it, because I was thinking if you hedge it and if it's and you do a little bit on your plus money and shit, that means that if you lose on the hedge because they rigged it, that means you can still make some on the other one.
Yeah.
You know?
Look at we can look at what we can do here. Let's say we can go with the plus money here, and then we can go with these dudes winning. It's at minus 115, but they're gonna win by 2. Like, let's say you do 50, you win 43.
Yeah,
not bad.
And then what about the other? But yeah,
and then we go over here. We do both. Let me see here. 50, you get 60.
Yeah. So if you lose, like, I mean, I think either way you'll end up making money on it like that, like a little bit, $10. Oh wait, no, because either way, yeah, because you only lose you'll end up only losing $2, bro. If you hedge it, you can either make $10 or lose 10 or lose 2.
But yeah, that's what I'm saying.
So they allow you to do that you can hedge bets on Bovada?
Yeah, you can do it, bro.
That's cool.
They're not gonna say anything. So
make a little smarter plays, you know.
Yeah, like that. Yeah, you don't like fully lose the full amount, you know.
Full amount.
But so yeah, because what you can do as well is to say get in with this one right now, and let's say they make a run that's gonna go plus money over here, and then we can go do plus money here too, and then it'll probably even out.
Wait, so the first quarter, who do you think? Let's say, who do you think is gonna win? Let's just we'll just do theory, doesn't it? Yeah.
Me, I'm thinking since it's a home game, the Sixers are gonna win the first quarter. I feel like they're gonna play well.
Okay, so
the other team was favored earlier. The one I gave you guys they're like super favored, but they're playing away. They're in a home team.
Yeah.
So that's why a lot of the momentum was on the home team, even if they were losing. Even they were losing their star player. They were at home, right? They were hyped. So that I think that took a big part in them taking like the first quarter and playing through the second half pretty well, even though they lost the second quarter.
Yeah.
But I think them playing home, and since a lot of people have been talking shit on them, I feel like they're gonna come out playing very well. They have two of the best players, but we'll see. These guys are pretty good too. So I just gotta wait and see how the game is going.
How the game operates.
Yeah, because the refs can control the game too. Like this game, they weren't calling a lot of fouls on the home team, so that's giving the other team opportunity to score more. So that's why I was like, oh shit, I'm gonna fucking just put money on the other team twice because I can see where this is going. They want the momentum on the away team right now. So like that, they can keep this game going and flowing pretty well and close together.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Hey, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, dude. Damn. Imagine we have to hack the referees' microphones, bro. That way we can hear what they're saying.
Yeah. So yeah, I'm telling you, that's how I make my money, bro. But that's why sometimes I don't like I like just waiting and just watching the game so I can see what's gonna happen. You know, I'd rather lose that way than putting it beforehand, not knowing what's gonna happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, I don't like. Better.
Yeah, I don't like that. I can't predict what's gonna happen. I'd rather lose where I feel like it's gonna go this way, and if it doesn't, fuck it, you know.
Yeah.
But me not knowing and knowing the unknown, I don't like it. To be honest, personally, I just don't like it.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, because I just made fucking quick $300, bro. Like just by couple freaking plays in the game, you know, just by seeing that and making just quick decisions off that.
Yeah, true that.
You know,
you have more control over it, you know.
Yeah, and that's within like a couple minutes, bro. You know, that's within a couple minutes, and you feel more confident about it, you know, compared to when it's like the unknown. You're just like, fuck, what's gonna happen, you know, because you didn't really think it out. You're not seeing. I mean, you're watching the game, but you didn't really you're not analyzing it as, let's say, when you're live betting, you know.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, why don't we do this? I mean, you can the live bets. You can. I know it's hard to get in, but Yeah, you could probably do those, because I think that might be because live betting you can call those are trade bet ones, one bets where like they're very more confident, and then you can tell us, you can be like, yo, live bet this one won, and we can put like a little more percent or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, usually, let's say like when we're like, I think it's easier when we're on the call like this, like where I'm live betting, because again, let's say we're not on the line together, then everything's gonna change fast, because it's just fucking back and forth, and the pricing will change fast, So it's like you have to get in, get out,
All right, hey, so let's talk about a schedule then. Let's talk about
Yeah, true.
let's talk about the schedule. So I applied at some other places too, bro. Like I didn't know, I forgot, bro. Like a lot of corporate places, you got to be vaccinated.
Oh shit, out there too?
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Damn.
It's weird,
even in Florida?
Even in Florida, yeah, bro. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Like it just depends on the company, It depends on what the company, like what they think, like their culture, their perception.
Their perspective, yeah.
Yeah, their perspective on it, and like, cause, but yeah, so but yeah, I'm most likely gonna get that. I mean, I don't know for sure. They're gonna hit me up on Monday, but I applied to a bunch of those spots too, like around where I live, because I would like to just like just close by, I like to just work there. And then that way, I did the math. I would still have money left over to invest in like shit, because I want to just be buying XRP and that's it.
Yeah.
I just want to buy XRP, bro. I just want to load up with that. But yeah, I guess we can talk about the schedule thing. Oh yeah, that's your homie shit, right? Or oh no, okay, hey, what do you think about? Hey, did you have any MLB bets on there?
Not as of yet. I'm waiting for like the later games, and then from there I'll give it to you. I'll send it to you guys.
Hey, okay, no worries. Oh yeah, so I guess so my work. Oh yeah, so like I mean, I would be back home by like 10:30 or which is 7:30 your guys' time. So like we could do like we can learn the hedge fund thing at 10:30, at 7:30.
Mm-hmm.
We can learn hedge fund stuff at 7:30. Then we can do our live trading, live betting whenever
Yeah, true
times. That. Yeah, like hey Rob, is there any games in the morning? When do you normally do live betting? I know it's random, but like
it like this weekend there's a lot of games, right? So like right now
I'm trying to see, bro, if we should, because we could do it in the morning, because like we do like I don't know if it'll fit with yours, because I mean I don't know if it'll fit with yours, Johnny, because I got I don't know if you're gonna trade the sessions, like because I know your strategy would be a little bit different, because you're gonna wait for those price zones, the better trades. So I mean, they could happen during the sessions, during the New York sessions or whatnot. But I was thinking like, so we could do I guess we could just commit to just doing the 7:30 or 8 o'clock hedge fund training, and then the other one could just be like on call. You know what I'm saying? Like play by the ear.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I mean, we can catch some games too and do live.
No, that's what I'm saying. Yeah, like that one will happen when like Robert, you can just tell us, oh, hey, bro, like let's do this. I'm like, all right, but like the one that we have to, the one that's actually scheduled is like the one for 7:30. That'll be 7:30 your guys' time.
Okay, that's cool. Yeah,
yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, like 7:30.
Yeah, and then like we can live bet. We can figure out what days we can live bet. I mean, there's games on the weekends too. That's like, I mean, we're free most of the time
we're
on the
doing
weekend,
it right now, right? We're doing live betting right now, in a way.
Yeah, right now it's already started. So I'm just waiting for. I'm just waiting to see where the game's going. Like the other team's coming back. You see?
Yeah.
It was a 68